No. I'm not going to make fun of Michael fall in love with me. Who's talking about love? I just want you to have sex with him. What? No, I am not going to have sex with Chad.
Come on, Katie. Do the honorable thing here.
The honorable thing is to walk away, and that is exactly what I'm doing. Okay, Sean, let her go. It's okay. She's made up her mind. We'll just move on to Plan B. What's Plan B? Good for you. We respect that. But if something should happen to your new boyfriend's leg, I don't know, under his knee or above his ankle, at least you did the honorable thing.
Where are you going? Sex addicts meeting. Turn weakness into strength. Good for you. Thanks, bro. Have a good night. See ya. Must be for you.
Okay, scan. Ben ik zes erin vasthouden.